Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the return of an American icon, the 2026 Dodge Viper. After years of anticipation, Dodge has brought back the legendary Viper with a modern twist while staying true to its raw, performance-first DNA. The new Viper combines extreme power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge tech, making it one of the most thrilling supercars of the decade. Whether you're a track day warrior or a purist collector, this beast demands attention. Let's break it all down. Body panels. The 2026 Viper's body is crafted with a mix of carbon fiber and aluminum, resulting in a lightweight yet incredibly strong structure. The long hood and low slung profile remain signature Viper design elements, but they've been enhanced with sharper angles, functional vents, and sculpted aerodynamic lines. Large side air intakes and a vented hood channel air efficiently through the engine bay and wheel wells. Every panel has been designed to maximize downforce and reduce drag, ensuring the Viper performs as aggressively as it looks. Headlights. At the front, the Viper features sleek, full LED matrix headlights with a dual projector layout that delivers an intense beam and adaptive functionality. The daytime running lights form a sharp, fang-like signature and nod to the car's name and character. These headlights not only illuminate the road with precision but also pivot into turns and adjust brightness based on traffic, improving both visibility and safety at high speeds. Taillights. Around the back, the taillights are all new yet unmistakably Viper. The thin LED light bar stretches across the rear, with animated lighting sequences for braking and turn signals. A new split diffuser sits below the taillights, improving airflow and stability at high speeds. The rear end finishes with a massive integrated spoiler that adjusts based on speed and driving mode, contributing to real-time aerodynamic control. Grille. The grille on the 2026 Viper is all about function. A low, wide intake feeds air directly into the front-mounted radiator and brake ducts, keeping things cool during high-performance driving. Active grille shutters open and close as needed, helping reduce drag on the highway and optimize cooling during aggressive track sessions. The grille's hexagonal mesh pattern and deep black finish give the Viper a sinister, race-ready look. Seats. Inside, the Viper stays true to its performance roots while adding much-needed refinement. The deep sport bucket seats are built with carbon fiber shells and upholstered in Alcantara and Napa leather. Designed for spirited driving, they offer firm bolstering, manual or power adjustments, and optional 4-point harnesses for track use. Heated and ventilated options are available, along with embossed Viper logos stitched into the headrests for a premium touch. Dashboard. The dashboard is minimalistic yet driver-focused. It's a low-glare, leather-wrapped unit with a digital instrument cluster taking center stage. The 12.3-inch customizable screen displays everything from lap timers and G-forces to navigation and vehicle diagnostics. Real carbon fiber and brushed aluminum trim pieces reinforce the high-performance feel while keeping things lightweight. Everything is angled toward the driver where it belongs in a car like this. Infotainment system. Surprisingly advanced for a car so raw, the 2026 Viper features a 10.1-inch Uconnect touchscreen, integrating wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time telemetry, and performance apps. You can access driving modes, launch control settings, and even review track sessions via onboard data logging. A lightweight premium sound system by Harman Kardon is available for those who want to pair performance with high-end audio, though let's be honest, the engine's roar is the soundtrack most owners will love. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara and features carbon fiber inlays and metal paddle shifters. The tactile controls let drivers manage drive modes, launch control, and real-time performance data without lifting a hand. It's compact, responsive, and designed to provide precise feedback, critical for aggressive cornering and high-speed handling. A red start/stop button is embedded directly into the wheel, giving every drive an adrenaline-filled launch. Engine. Here's where the Viper earns its name. Under the hood sits a 6.4-liter naturally aspirated V10, re-engineered to deliver 710 horsepower and 640 pounds-feet of torque. It screams to 7,200 RPM, delivering a visceral, analog experience in a modern shell. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, offering brutal acceleration and control. 0-60 comes in just 3.1 seconds, with a top speed north of 210 miles per hour. This is raw, American muscle and no apologies. Hybrid option. For 2026, Dodge offers an optional performance hybrid assist system, available in the GTS and ACR trims. This mild hybrid setup integrates a 48-volt electric motor with regenerative braking and launch assist, adding up to 70 extra pounds-feet of torque at low speeds. It helps eliminate lag, improves fuel economy, and enhances performance without sacrificing the Viper's visceral nature. It's the future of muscle electric, but still full of bite. Airbags. Despite being a track-focused car, the Viper doesn't skimp on safety. It comes equipped with dual front airbags, side impact airbags, and knee airbags for both driver and passenger. The Viper's reinforced space frame, crumple zones, and electronic stability systems ensure that drivers are protected in the event of a collision. While you're pushing limits on the road or the track, the Viper ensures safety is always in the background. Parking assist. While this is a true driver's car, the Viper does include rear parking sensors, a backup camera, and on premium trims, a front splitter sensor to help avoid low-speed bumps in tight spaces. Optional blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert also help make city driving and parking a little less stressful, even for a car this exotic and aggressive. Price. The 2026 Dodge Viper starts at around $105,000 for the base coupe with a manual transmission. Step up to the GTS trim with performance hybrid assist and luxury upgrades, and you're looking at about $125,000. The track-focused ACR version, with carbon aero, racing suspension, and lightweight components, tops out around $150,000. It's a serious investment, but one that buys you one of the last true analog supercars of its kind, raw, rare, and unforgettable. And there you have it at the 2026 Dodge Viper. It's loud, fast, and unapologetically aggressive, a modern-day muscle car with supercar aspirations. Whether you're carving corners at the track or turning heads on the highway, this machine delivers excitement in its purest form. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Viper's comeback. Is this the return of the king of American performance? Hit that like button, subscribe for more bold reviews, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until then, keep your foot down.